Today's video is sponsored by Advance Auto Parts. Make sure you guys shop for all weekly deals at shop.advanceautoparts.com. The link and everything will be down in the description of this video. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Dwani here, back with another video. What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. Out here, got a little bit of a break right now, from deliveries and everything. And just want to come on here and talk to you guys. And I know some of you guys are asking about, shipping contracts, and things like that. How to get shippers, and how to get freight, how to find freight for your cargo van business. Because the last video I was telling you guys, not to waste your time on any low boards, because it's just no luck when it comes to cargo vans and stuff. The low boards pretty much, they specialize in more so like the semis and the box trucks. So and of course you guys know, and I mentioned in my other videos as well, that I'm with a courier company, and I'm an independent contractor through them. And that's pretty much how I'm getting my loads and stuff, doing my deliveries, and this and that and the third. And of course, when I was over the road, I mentioned I started out over the road as well. And the company that I was using, which was Fox Carriers. I used Fox Carriers before when I was doing over the road. Used them for a little while, and then eventually, with the the prices of the fuel and all that stuff, it just wasn't adding up, and all the lowballing bids and all that stuff. So I pretty much got tired of that. So I went with a courier company and everything that I found on Indeed. And what you'll find a lot, that's what I was telling you guys, make sure you guys check out, whenever you have a chance, check out Indeed.com. And you'll find like a lot of independent contractor delivery companies that are looking for owner operators in cargo vans, sprinter vans, or even box trucks. That's pretty much like your gold mine if you're looking online. And of course you can go to the different shippers in your local area. I couldn't hear. Alright, I'm back, you guys. I'm sorry about that. My Siri was messing up on me. And but anyways, like I was saying, that's what I was saying, go to your different shippers in your area, okay, and ask to speak with the shipper manager in the shipping and receiving department, and and talk with them, and just come up with like an agreement between you and the shipper about moving their freight, and have like a contract agreement between you two. And of course you do that. And then what you can also do is there's like a ton of apps that you guys can use as well. That's another thing. You got Axle Hire, Amazon Flex, and those are just the few to name that also you can do as far as with your cargo van and stuff like that, and get different types of jobs. And pretty much it's going to be like packages is what you're going to be pretty much delivering and stuff. And but those are just the few ideas that you can do. There's plenty of options out there that you can do with your cargo van. You can also, what I had thought about doing as well myself is, get with these companies that need help with any type of advertising. So, since my van is completely white, I can add advertisements as well and charge the company for advertisement too. So, advertisement of their business. So those are other things too that you can make money, with your cargo van. Because I know right now, everybody's not liking, including myself, this whole lowballing of these loads and stuff. And with the fuel prices and everything, with the fuel prices going up, and then they want you to drive so far to deliver these loads but not pay you, and they want to pay you under $1 and all that stuff, and it's just a bunch of headache, and because you have to think about with your monthly payments, and then your insurance and all that stuff coming out of pocket every month. And and these broker companies don't want to pay you and stuff for what it's worth, for what it's really worth, what's supposed to be. But and I know there's a lot of frustration with that. That's why I pretty much just left the over the road for a while because of that. And of course I'm closer at home, and and my bills are being paid with the courier company and everything. So those are just like a few options of where you guys, which different directions that you guys can go. There's your options. Those are my my options that I can give you guys. Some my recommendations. You guys can take a hold of, and do some research yourself as well, and just look around in your area, because it's out there. I was pretty surprised myself of how many companies are actually looking for cargo vans and sprinter van owner operators. And and so I guess the market, the way the market is right now, and the market is pretty much slow, and that's why a lot of people are just selling their vans, selling their box trucks, selling their semis and all that stuff, because right now the demand is just like really low. We're just in that season of things of certain things are slowing down. The supply chain is slowing down. And then not only that, then you got other companies too that are looking for drivers. So it's kind of like a half and half of people are looking for drivers to move freight, or there's just not enough freight and you got to deal with the whole low balling. So it's just a lot of stuff that's going on. And it can cause headaches. It is a complete headache. And that's pretty much, I just cut everything out and just went ahead and went with a courier company. And of course everybody's where everybody lives at, there's different types of courier companies. Some people are using Shipley and U-Ship as well, to help get loads as well. I wasn't quite successful with those. I tried to put in bids and stuff, but it's just pretty much, it's like a numbers game, and people want to pay cheap. I'm just gonna be straight up. They want to pay cheap. They don't want to pay more if they can find somebody else that can that would accept it less than what you're offering. Then that's what they're gonna go with, because some people, they're saving money as well. So that's the other thing you got to keep in mind too when you're doing Shipley and U-Ship. People are trying to save money, and yeah, they need their stuff shipped, but at the same time they don't want to pay more than what another person will offer less. So yeah, so that's pretty much how things are going right now with the market itself. It's just up and down, but you just gotta hang in there. The ones that are out here doing it and stuff, just hang in there. Don't give up and stuff. Just got to keep that faith, keep it going and everything. But if it just doesn't work out for you, then it just doesn't work out for you. So it all depends on you as a person, how much you want to do this, and in the business, if this is something that you really, really want to do. So it all depends on the person at the end of the day. But that's pretty much what's going to be. This is going to be it. This is going to be the end of the video, you guys. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's gonna, of course, there's gonna be more videos about the cargo van business and stuff like that, you guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit the bell so you guys can get the notifications. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.